Igbo, ndị Igbo Youth Council apụtala wee chie President Bola Amed Tinubu warning wee si ya na ọ ga-akara ya mma na o riliziri Mazi Nnamdi Kanu kịta before 2027 presidential election because ọ bụrụ na ọ hapụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na nga till 2027 presidential election ya mara that na ọ gaghị ahụ tụrụ racha n'ala Igbo no mata ndị ọ kpọtara ka ha bịa n'ala Igbo bịa mere ya campaign. No matter mo sendri city boys, so mo sendrelu mo sendrala that he is not going to see anybody ga-apụta bịa tụọrọ ya vote. Ihe a na-abịa from Igbo Youth Association. Ọkwa ha wapụtara wee kwuo nke a. Ahụrụ m ya na Sahara Reporters. The thing have been trending on Sahara Reporters. M ga-aga n'iru wee gụpụta ya dịka ha si wee dee ya na Sahara Reporters. According to Sahara Reporters, today being the 12th of May 2026, ha ganiru wee kwuo release Nnamdi Kanu or risk losing 2027 election. Ohaneze Youth Council warns Tinubu government. May 12, 2026, drawing comparison with the 1984 attempted abduction of former Nigerian minister Umaru Diko in the United Kingdom. The OYC president argued that this involved in Kanu's rendition have escaped accountability. Ha nọkwa na-ekwu wee sị that this particular hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ha jere na Kenya wee kidnap ya na o nwere similarity with ihe ha mekwara Umaru na 1984 according to them. Ha wee gaa n'iru wee kwukwa the Ohaneze Youth Council OYC has threatened that the continued imprisonment of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, could cost President Bola Amed Tinubu his re-election bid in the 2027 presidential election. Ọ bụrụ na Tinubu agbalịghị wee release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ọ gaghị ahụ tụrụ racha na 2027 presidential election according to ndị OYC, according to Sahara Reporters too, maka Sahara Reporters bụ ihe posturu ya ana ebe m si wee na-agụpụta this particular news. We continue. In a press statement issued in Abuja on Tuesday, the national president of the OYC, Igbo Ayaka, described Kanu's arrest, rendition, prosecution, and imprisonment as invalid and unconstitutional. Igbo Ayaka alleged that there was a Fulani orchestrated conspiracy against Ndi Igbo, which he claimed had been handed over to Tinubu by the administration of former President Muhammadu Buhari. Yes, so nke abụghị allegedly. To be honest, nke abụghị allegedly. This hatred from ndị Fulani, ha na-hate anyị from a long time immemorial. Ha na-hate ndị Igbo. Emetụ ha sị gị na ndị Igbo dị too dominant. Na ebe ọbụla ha je ha sị ka ha wachie. Ha bịa na be gị ha sị ka ha wachie. Nọ ya mere ha agaghị ekwe ka ndị Igbo bata n'ọchịchị. Nọ ya mere ha agaghị ekwe ka ndị Igbo ṅụrụ mmiri tọgbọ iko. Enweghị ebe a ga-etinyetụ ndị Igbo atọ because ha ga-abịa ha sakachie. Ihe a bụ ihe ha bụ n'isi na-akwụgharị up and down, but deep down onye ọbụla mara no hatred, pure hatred, that is a undiluted hatred ka ndị a nwere n'ebe anyị nọ. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-ege podcast Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ị ga-anụkwa mgbe ọ na-adị ekwu ya si these people they started hating us first. Ka ezi ihe ị chọrọ ka eme. Ka ihe ị chọrọ ka eme. Anyway, let us continue. According to Igbo Ayaka, he continued, according to him, Tinubu had the opportunity to discontinue what he described as the illegal trial of Kanu initiated under Buhari's government, but failed to do so. Yes, so President Bola Amed Tinubu had the opportunity to discontinue whatever that Muhammadu Buhari had against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He had the opportunity, but because they don't want Ndi Igbo to breathe. They can never allow Ndi Igbo to breathe. That is why whenever I see Peter Obi, ọ na-ayari ihe ọ na-ayari, m na-ele ya ọcha na-atọ m. Nne-ele ya ọcha na-atọ makwa anyị niile nọ ya. Chineke dewe onye ọbụla ndụ ka anyị na-ahụ na 2027 ma ọ ga-aba n'oche nwanụ. I'm not wishing him bad. I wish him all the best. Ọ bụrụ na ọ banye n'oche onye ka m bụkwa na nsogbu adịghị anyị eleweni ya kelee Chineke. Let's continue going. According to Sahara Reporters, the extraordinary rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya remains an unlawful act, a deliberate contravention of international law orchestrated by the British government, Igbo Ayaka stated. During comparison with the 1984 attempted abduction of former Nigerian minister Umaru Diko in the United Kingdom, The OYC president argued that those involved in Kanu's rendition have escaped accountability. This is coming from Ibayaka, all of them, all those people that orchestrated. Even Manka the other day, or minister ka gịnị ka a na-akpụgharị up and down si na o zuru ohi. Chineke nna ha niile onye ọbụla agbafuola, onye ọbụla na-ezozi iri ya ezo. Let's continue. He recalled that Diko was allegedly kidnapped in London on July 5th, 1984 during the military regime of former head of state Muhammad Buhari, but was rescued after British custom officer intercepted the operation. According to Ibayaka, British custom officer Charles Morrow discovered that the crates used in the operation leaked diplomatic documentation, prompting authorities to stop the flight. Because they noticed it, but Kahashi will whiskey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Even I know that British, they will be aware. Those people, they will be aware, but they choose to keep quiet because on Igbo now, on Igbo, obuha bako kosi odaku, obuha umaru daku. Yes, so on Igbo. So anything that concerns Igbo, let's continue. He headed that Nigeria and Israel nationals linked to the incident were later arrested, vindicated, and jailed. Convicted and jailed in the United Kingdom, resulting in a diplomatic crisis between Nigeria and British that time. Imagondi British, ha hụrụ ndị Fulani n'anya. We hụrụ ndị Fulani ndị ugwu, ha hụrụ ha n'anya so much. They don't joke with them because all ha we hedge the power of Nigeria. All ha na-ekwu ebe a na-azụnye na ebe a naghị azụnye. Let's continue. Regrettable, Malami Abubakar Malami, the then Attorney General of Federal Government, and other masterminds of these international scandals are currently not facing any consequences, allegedly because the offense was committed against an Igbo individual, he said. Oh, this Malami that I wanted to talk about, that they said they saw billion in his account, in his residence. It was all of them that joined hands to make sure that they rendition Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because he's telling you people to stop a Christian genocide. Let's continue. The OYC president further claimed that the Nigerian state systematically victimized Igbo people, saying it is traumatized. It is traumatized that the meaning of Nigeria is the victimization of Ndi Igbo. Yes, so Ibayaka added, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's abduction or kidnapping by the Nigerian government demonstrates that the government can take drastic measures to violate international law or domestic laws in order to target an Igbo individual, as long as Ndi Igbo. This is why I continue to say it. So that they will change. They will change. When I see a lot of people, I'll just be like this and be looking at them. When you social media, mana ọsọsọ ndị Igbo, ọsọsọ ha maka ihe ama, ọsọsọ ha nwawa ihe na-anaghị ahụ ụzọ, ọsọsọ ha nwawa ihe ga-achọ ka ha butuo nwanne ha n'ebe ọ nọ. Let's continue. In the absence of any established law to target Igbo individual, the Nigerian government can rapidly devise an unjust law specifically to target an Igbo individual. He warned that Tinubu's chance in the 2027 election could suffer if Kanu remains in prison. It is imperative that President Bola Amed Tinubu discontinues the case of Nnamdi Kanu, stops his incarceration and release him unconditionally or risk jeopardizing his second-term agenda, he said. This is coming from Ibayaka. Let this man, President Bola Amed Tinubu, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I thank God that everybody is seeing the injustice. It's only those people that fail to, say the truth. Not that they are not seeing it. They know, they see it. It's only those people that their head, I don't know what is in their head, that will come out and tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Justice James Omotosho said he's not supposed to stay where somebody is because he is a Guinean. I continue. It is unrealistic to assume that the votes of the people of old Eastern Nigeria, specifically the Igbo, will go to Bola Amed Tinubu in 2027 presidential election, while Nnamdi Kanu remains in prison, although possible. It's not possible. He further described Kanu as an iroko tree by the new Igbo generation, saying the IPOB leader symbolizes the struggle for Igbo freedom. Nnamdi Kanu is perceived as an iroko tree by the new Igbo generation, epitomizing the Igbo struggle for freedom and drawing parallel with the Israelite biblical narratives of Moses and Joshua's journey to the promised land, he stated. And his ongoing imprisonment to the 2027 general election suggests that President Bola Amed Tinubu's political career is buried, and he has signed his defeat in 2027 pool. This is coming from Igbo Ayaka. Let me explain. According to him, he said that if President Bola Amed Tinubu refused to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he should just tag himself that he have failed 2027, because they are going to do everything possible to make sure that Tinubu dara na this 2027. But the thing is, mbịama na-asị ndị Igbo enweghị ebe etinyere anyị etinye. To be honest, onweghị ebe etinyere ndị Igbo etinye. The thing ọ bụrụ na anyị niile ga-etinye aka ọnụ wee bido chụwa ihe na-achụ anyị, because isi na Peter Obi nke akwa, Peter Obi cannot go anywhere. They will use him and dump him. Ọ bụrụ na ị watched that video of Very Dark Man today, you will hear what he said. That Tinubu contacted Goodluck Ebele Jonathan to use Goodluck Ebele Jonathan to disrupt Obi and Kwankwaso. So amami ihe ọzọ unu na-echere na Peter Obi ga-apụta echi. It's not going to work. Let us come back home and arrange ourselves and know how to fight what is fighting us. That is what I would suggest. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time coming across my video, please do well to share. Gbasara news ya ka o rusa ndị ọzọ ntị. Ọ bụrụ na YouTube ka ị na-watch, biko nu click the subscription. Biko subscribe to my channel. It's very important. I newly opened my page on YouTube. Please subscribe to my YouTube. I beg you in the name of God. Subscribe to my YouTube. Help one Igbo because then follow my page on Facebook. If you're coming across this video on TikTok, please do well to follow me. On Instagram, please do well to follow me. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye for now.